Hi there, thanks for joining. In this video, we will explore how numerology could guide your job search and interview process. Trust me, this is very interesting. Stay tuned. And if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do so. So, numerology is the study of numbers and vibrations, you all know now. And certain numbers are especially helpful when you are looking to land a new job or make changes in your career. If you believe, things happens, right? So you have got to believe. So let's dive into the key work numbers and how you could use them to your advantage. In this video, we are going to find out about work numbers. You can make use of them for searching a new job or your career growth. So, there are specific work numbers, do you believe, that influence the energy around job searching and interviews. Make a note. Number 1, number 4, number 8, and 22. But it's not just these numbers. Other numbers that include these or add up to them carry some of their beneficial qualities. So numbers could be 13, 14, 17, 18, 19, 24, 26, 28 and 31st. Make a note. Let's go over the best days for your job search or interviews based on numerology. First day of any month. This is a great day for new beginnings and independence. So, if you are looking for a job or want to make a big career change, the first is perfect. So, first could be any day in a month. Second, what about second? While not ideal for starting a new job, this day could be a great for making job contacts or searching interviews. Third of a month, it's a friendly number, social day, which is great for interviewing or networking with your current job. Fourth, one of the best days for work. However, it could be a bit harsh though. So, if you are interviewing, be aware of any challenging energy which may disturb you. Fifth, day of any calendar month. A fantastic day for interviews, especially with the opposite sex. It's also a good day for being social at work. Sixth, this is a great day to interview because it brings confidence and good energy. Use the 6th day of any month to look your best. Remember, whether you are job hunting or trying to shine in your current job, because 6 is winners we talk about, right? So 6th is to make sure that you look good. So how about the 7th day of any month? A day where things need to happen by chance. So after 7th, 8th day of the month. So what is the energy in the 8th day of any month? A powerhouse day. The 8th brings energy related to money, power. It's one of the best days for work. So take advantage of it. Let's talk about more days for job search and interview. 9th day of a month, not great for job searching. The 9th is very social. So you might form meaningful connections. 10th day of a month, a day with leadership qualities, perfect for interviews where you could showcase your skills and leadership potential. 11th day of a month, this is a kind and giving day, making it an ideal time for interviews, especially if you are looking for a position that involves helping others. Remember, where collaboration is demanded, you can make use of 11th number. 12th, this is a day similar to the 3rd, so it's great for interviews and making social contact. How about 13th? A good day for work and interviewing. But be careful not to let the harshness of the 4 take over, because it will challenge you at times. 14th day of a month, this could be a very good day for interviews or making social connections. But the 4 can make it feel a bit intense. 15th, a very good day for interviewing or looking good in your current job, thanks to the energies of 5 and 6. 16th day of a month, here the 7th energy might make things feel like they are happening by chance, but the 6th could help you in it. How about 17th? Another day where things need to happen by chance due to 7, but the 8 influence could still make it a productive work day. 18th, a fantastic day for interviews with plenty of work vibrations. So let's continue with more days, right? I'm sure you are still with me and you are waiting to know more. 22nd, this is a day perfect for finding work or making changes in your current position. It's both a social and a powerful work number. How about 23rd? A very social day, great for interviews and making new contacts. So now 24th, another good day for interviews. 26th, a great day for work thanks to 8 influence, but also social due to 2 and 6 combination. Next number we have 28. So after 28th, we have another workday number 29. Great for interviews or looking to make a meaningful change in your career. 30th is also workday number, a good social day, ideal for interviews and networking in your current job. 31st brings energy from both 3 and 1, making it a great day for new beginnings and social. So numerology is always there to make your life better. It could guide you on when to focus on your job search and when to schedule your interviews for maximum success. Thanks for watching, and if you have found this helpful, so beyond like, comments and subscribe, if you have any queries, you can reach out to us through our website or through the comment section below. We are here to help you. Thank you for watching.